hi. I didn't hear you come in. I guess I forgot to lock the tent. Now that you're here with Epy, let me tell you how I became a carnival food connoisseur. Ever since I was little, I loved to eat circus grub, from deep fried corn dogs to buttery corn cobs. My mom, bless her bearded heart, said I must have cotton candy in my bloodstream. She's right, I enrolled in the Carnival Culinary Arts College. And since there's nothing more ornery than a hungry roustabout, I soon put my cooking skills to good use at the carnival. Who doesn't crave a bag of crispy Cajun cow fries and a tasty ballyhoo burger? And I bake all the big top bread and buns your clown heart desires. Sweet tooth like Epy? Learn how to make my step right up peppermint cookies, or my high wire ginger snaps, and sideshow oatmeal biscuits. And what goes better with Carnival Cuisine bottle of clown wine? That's right, Epy has his own label. But I'll save that tightrope creep for another day. Run away and join the circus with Epy. Learn the carnival way to cook the best clown cuisine. I'll keep my tent door open. Come on in and clown around a while.